Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add audio in the video in Canva Pro application. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Canva application and then you will see the options of video. Then click on here and then select the size of video. So you can select any size of video. For example, you can see Facebook video, Instagram reel, TikTok video, YouTube video. So you can select it according to you. So for example, I want to select simply this video. So after selecting the size, you can see the options of upload. So click on upload options, and here firstly, adding the audio in the video, you must upload the video on which you want to add audio. So then click on upload file. So then click on three lines, and here you can see videos. So then select that folder on which you want to have videos. So then select the video, then simply tap it, and you can see my video is uploading. So in this way you can upload any video in the Canva. So after uploading the video, then simply click on it. So in this way you can add any video in the Canva. So after that you can adjust the size of the video. So here you can see you can adjust the size according to you. So after that you will see the options of upload, then click on it. So here you can see the options of audio. So you can see I have uploaded different audio. So if you don't have any uploaded audio, then simply click on uploaded file. So here you will see three lines, and then select the folder, and here you will select the audio which you want to add. So for example, I want to add this video, then I will simply double tap on it, and then you can see my audio is uploading. So after uploading the audio, then simply click on it, and you can see my audio is added in this video. So you can also select the part of this audio. Simply press on the audio and drag it, so you can adjust the part of the audio. So you can see I adjust the part of the audio. So in this way you can adjust the part of audio and select the audio in the video. So after adding audio in the video, you can see the simply share options. So click on here and then click on download, and here you will see file type. Click on here, you can select it according to you. After that, click on download options. So in this way your video will be export in your gallery. So guys, in this way you can add audio in the video. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.